Hop là. Et salutations, ici Héros, le mirifique, le sublissime. On reprend sur Gotham Knights. Donc on s'apprêtait à assaillir la tour de Kane Industries pour essayer de faire sortir le rat de sa tanière. Le rat étant en l'occurrence la chouette, hein, le hibou, en chef Jacob Kane. Voilà, voilà. Euh, Hop là, hop là, c'est parti. Drone. Batman. Alors ça aussi c'est marrant parce que c'est des technologies, c'est des trucs qu'on voit souvent dans les films. Je faisais la réflexion notamment dans le film Venom. Mais visiblement on est à chaque fois sur des drones soit téléguidés par IA, soit téléguidés manuellement, mais manuellement ça veut dire qu'ils étaient au moins 15 à piloter ces drones-là. Intéressant aussi de voir qu'ils ont des ergots féminins. C'est un truc qui n'existe pas dans le... a priori dans le... Déjà qu'ils aient des ergots de différents gabarits, c'est un truc qui n'existe pas dans le comics. Normalement, il n'y a qu'un ergot à la fois et le seul moment où ils en utilisent plusieurs, c'est au moment où justement ils se sentent menacés par le Batman et ainsi de suite. Là, c'est intéressant, tu vois. Ils sont. Oh, il est très cool ce costume. Là, ils ont aussi des ergots féminins, c'est assez intéressant. C'est un truc que je pense je reprendrai dans mes, moi perso dans mes fanfictions. Voilà, ce costume de Nightwing avec cette coiffure là, c'est alors le costume on peut discuter, il y a pas de souci. Mais au niveau de la coiffure, c'est ça Nightwing. Nightwing c'est cette coiffure là, c'est rien d'autre. C'est les autres trucs qu'ils nous ont montré. La coiffure qu'il a également quand il est en civil.
Take your best shot. You get one.
You know, I would, but I just had my nails done.
I gave you a chance back at the orchard, but you failed me like you failed Bruce. He did die after you abandoned him, after all.
Ouh, mauvaise idée. Le logo est très très classe.
Gotham won't accept the court is real, let alone believe I'm the voice.
All anyone needs to believe is that you killed Blakestrom.
And what if I did? Huh? Where's the reporter who'll cover it? Or the cop who'll arrest me? Much less the judge who'll convict me.
It's your lucky day, Jacob. We got them all waiting outside your door.
My wife is still commissioner. I'll be free before sunup.
Mhm. M'attendais à ce que ça soit beaucoup plus long en fait, on aurait pu faire ça à la fin du dernier épisode.
Montoya, catch a perp. He's like this when I found him.
Working with vigilantes, detective? Catherine will have your badge for this.
Hell of a trade if it puts you away.
Les petites airs de guitare électrique qui se rajoutent derrière.
Is it true you conspired to murder Kurt Langstrom?
Open your eyes! These corrupt cops are conspiring with vigilantes to put me away!
Uhum. Non, 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 Talia, non. C'est Talia, non?
Now you're in trouble. Catherine, tell them I'm innocent.
Don't give me that shit, Jacob. Don't you say another word.
I can.
Jacob!
Ah!
You stupid, stupid man. We need to get these people out of here. Find who did this. Search everywhere. Search the rooftops. Go!
Talia.
Bah ouais, logique.
The court was about to be exposed, Talia. It was done. Didn't you murder Jacob Kane?
No, we murdered him. The League of Shadows thanks you for your collaboration. Bruce was never this helpful.
Mhm.
You never change. I knew you were still involved with the League. How long did you plan this?
Decades. I have a clarity of vision that my father lacked. Without him, the League can reach its full potential.
Then why not just kill Raish? Would have been faster.
I didn't need to.
Right. So now what, Talia? High-five each other all the way back to Nanda Parbat?
The Orchard Hotel was just the beginning. Our work in Gotham will serve as a beacon, a warning of what is to come. In a torrent of blood, we will purge corruption from this city, then the world.
Mhm.
I have a few notes. One, a bit cliche. Two, start over and don't do any of that.
Then I won't waste your time. I've only let you live this long because you were useful. That said, you held my beloved back from greatness.
I was there after you left, Talia. He knew what you were. He saw you and hated you.
Even Bruce would tell you. Nothing can stop the reckoning that's in motion. Farewell.
Ah, crap.
Barbara pas contente.
Knew it.
Ah regarde, il porte un jean.
We had Jacob in custody.
Dit qu'il porte un jean.
Bring him in.
Jason il porte un jean.
She's got everything she needs to start the
Barbara
next
elle porte un jean.
She'll go
Lui il
after
porte
our
un
allies
genre de
first.
jogging
Keep
chelou,
us out
mais
of the
c'est
way.
pas
Exactly.
non plus en tenue.
That's why I already sent them a warning.
Pourquoi il y a des fois ils sont toute la journée en tenue et d'autres ils sont.
With a small security team. And Montoya scrambling people she trusts.
It won't be enough. They'll die without our help.
League attacks. All over the city. It's already started. Belfry's really coming together.
This place is quite remarkable. It's certainly brighter than the Batcave.
Wish we
Encore
could
une
fit
fois.
a giant dinosaur in here. But I think Bruce would approve.
I know he would. Because this is your home.
Gotham's our home. Bruce was always looking out for it. And we can do that literally from up here.
Protecting Gotham is a difficult endeavor. One that Bruce knew you would face. So, he made sure that you would have everything you'd need to succeed.
Always 3 moves ahead.
Looks like you have me in 5. I'll get you next time, though.
Bruce's chess set. I carved these pieces myself. I even gave the knights bat ears.
I noticed. Jason wasn't having the best game, huh?
I promoted a queen and was about to walk all over him.
I don't pick a queen when I promote a pawn.
I suppose you choose a knight then. That was always Bruce's move. A little obvious, even for him.
I like the rook, actually. It's a protector, and a major piece. But people ignore it. They get distracted by more obvious threats until... checkmate. Plus, castling is basically teleporting.
How unorthodox.
It's how Robin wins.
Ok, donc là c'est la référence à l'un des pouvoirs de Robin dans le jeu. Et petite téléportation pour distance. Mais en combat ça donne certains avantages effectivement.
Haha, it wasn't my fault.
Hey, the sauce still turned out great.
Yeah, we all ate it.
Jason, chop chop. Someone needs to get on those onions.
You can't have a sauce without onions.
Sure. But it's gonna need a little kick. I've got an idea. You'll love it.
And extra garlic, please.
Now you're talking.
Et un petit follow-up de la discussion sur quand ils ont mangé pâte avec la sauce tomate et compagnie. Oh, choupette. Là aussi, le symbole est vachement bien. J'aime beaucoup. Ils ont une diversité de costumes. Ils ont modifié les symboles à chaque fois. Ça reste. Tu reconnais le logo du personnage, mais ouais.
Gotham has called, and I have answered. And I will never abandon her. And I won't forget. I've scoured all of my networks. No sign of Talia anywhere.
The League is still in Gotham. She's here. We just have to find her.
Goddamn ninjas.
So... this is weird.
Weird like undead talents coming back to life, or weird like... How do I keep losing this freaking game?
Weird, like there was this reroute situation that I was tracking. But then there were fluctuations, and now I think I found Talia.
What were you tracking?
At first it looked like nothing, but now...
Whoa. That's a lot of power that's been siphoned. Not necessarily definitive, except...
Except? The power was diverted... here.
Isn't Arkham empty? Like, you know... collapsed?
It has been for a couple of years.
Oh.
And with our missing ninja friend...
Here.
Ce serait pas une référence au jeu Arkham, ça?
Maybe it won't be too bad.
Or,
Et puis.
this is a trap. She's too good to just let us find her.
But we have a lead.
We do have a lead.
Yeah.
Talia wasn't here just to mess with us. She's got something else up her sleeve.
Well, guess it's time to go back to that asbestos-encrusted shithole.
Parce que asbestos. Dire.
Oh no.
Ok, d'accord. Ah, ce costume-là est déjà plus sympa, je trouve. Ça colle mieux à Robin. Enfin, à Drake. Mais j'ai vraiment du mal, par contre, au truc qui prend juste la tête. Et c'est vrai que du coup, les deux petites antennes de Batman auraient donné un truc.
Easy now, Robin. It's probably more scared of you than...
Ouch. Ou alors il aurait fallu que ce soit ouvert, un peu comme le costume de Wally West. Ouvert de manière à ce qu'il puisse dégager ses cheveux comme ça par-dessus. Mais là comme ça c'est un peu chelou. Et donc voilà, Man-Bat. Man-Bat qui est Kirk Langstrom. Celui qui est censé être mort depuis le début.
Pretty tough for something that shouldn't exist. Oh, not good, not good, not good. Oh no.
J'aimerais beaucoup voir un film avec Man-Bat. C'est parce que pareil, Man-Bat, c'est le genre de personnage enfin de vilain de Batman qui est pas vraiment un vilain, et qui est plus un type qui avait de bonnes intentions, qui a fait une connerie et qui s'est retrouvé dans des circonstances tellement problématiques que
You really should not be fighting with those injuries.
Chaos in Gotham City tonight after another vicious attack in Robinson Park. There are reports across the city of flying creatures wreaking havoc. Police are urging citizens to stay calm and remain indoors.
That's my fight out there.
Les autres vont aller à ta place, Robin.
The others are already on patrol. Once you are ready...
I'm ready. I proved myself the moment you met me. When I figured out Bruce's identity. And Dick's too.
Mais t'as pris un mauvais coup, prends le temps de te
By
reposer.
serving at a hero's side. I was the Robin that Batman needed.
Hmm.
After everything that's
Ça, c'est
happened,
très vrai, ça.
I've become the Robin I need to be.
I'm certain you already know what must be done.
Talia's hiding a Lazarus pit somewhere under this city.
Ouais.
She thinks she's about to win. I can't wait to disappoint her.
Un disque dur, mais du coup. Ok, d'accord. Ok.
Wonderful. It is.
Ok. D'accord, génial. Talia, ce costume. Aïe aïe aïe. On va s'arrêter là. On va s'arrêter là parce que la fin va être... c'est... Oh oui, on n'est pas loin de la fin. On a un peu plus d'une demi-heure, mais... Ça commence à être très sympathique. Je te fais des bisous. On se dit à la prochaine. Et